Hey friends, mornings can be simple and healthy without spending too much. Here are 5 quick budget friendly breakfasts to power up your day. Number 1, vegetable poha or upma. Light, tasty and full of energy to keep you going. Number 2, oats with milk and banana. Ready in 5 minutes, filling and full of nutrition. Number 3, chapati roll. Use last night's chapati and some veggies or egg, and you have got a quick and filling breakfast. Number 4, Sprouts Chaat. Affordable, high in protein and super tasty with a squeeze of lemon. Number 5, peanut butter sandwich, or even a homemade peanut chutney spread. Easy, tasty and wholesome. And that's it. 5 healthy breakfasts that are simple, affordable, and family friendly. So tell me which one you will try first tomorrow morning.